Hi there. In this video, we'll be learning how to pause, resume, and screenshot during our Zoog recording. So let's jump right in. While creating my Zoog, I can screenshot in order to save an image to my camera roll. I can also pause the recording and continue it when I'm ready by clicking resume. After the 3, 2, 1, I'll keep reading. I can also click the X in the upper right-hand corner in order to either start over or delete this recording. All of the Zoogs I save can be found in my Stories page. Thank you for watching and for using Zoog.